Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode PR Sundar Inspires. And the last video, I just came out with comparison God and business and charity. I said don't mix God with business and business with God, or don't mix charity with business or business with charity. And today, as a continuation, I'm going to give some more message. And many people want to make money and want to be happy. And there are many people I find they are not successful. The success is not only based on what is the money that you are making. What kind of people around you, whom you trust, whom you don't trust, to whom you stay. And it depends on many other factors. And once there were three people, one American, one Russian, and one Indian. They came together in a party and they wanted to show their wealth. And what this US guy did, he took $100 note, put some tobacco into the $100 note, and then rolled it and he started smoking just to show off his wealth. Then Russian has seen this and he took $1,000 note and he put some tobacco and rolled it and he started smoking just to show he's more wealthier than American. Then Indian has seen that. What he has done, he took a checkbook and took a check leaf and he has written $1 million and then put some tobacco on the check leaf, rolled the check leaf and started smoking. This is a joke. How Indians show off without spending anything. So sometimes how you show off or how you behave with others is more important. And let me give you one more example. There were three people prayed to the God. God, please appear in front of us and you grant our wishes. And one day the God appeared in front of them and asked the first guy, what you want? Whatever is your wish, I will grant it. You ask whatever you want. Then he said, God, I want 1 lakh crore cash. I want 1 lakh crore cash. The God said, go home, open your wardrobe, you will find the cash. He came home, opened the wardrobe, 1 lakh crore cash was there. All 500 rupees note. He was so happy and he saw there's a flash news. Prime Minister speaking. Government is announcing demonetization. All the 500 rupee notes are no use from tomorrow. Whoever is holding the 500 rupee note, bring it to the bank and show the proof of income and then get the new notes. And that's it. This guy's dream shattered. How can he take 1 lakh crore to the bank and show them the source of income? The God gave me 1 lakh crore. Can you do like that? The entire 1 lakh crore value has gone to zero. Then God asked the second guy. And this guy said, I want 10,000 kilogram of gold. And this guy came home, opened the wardrobe, 10,000 kilogram of gold. So happy. With the same happiness, he came and opened the television. The flash news is going on. And all over the world, when the people are digging the earth for construction, they are finding the gold everywhere. And because the gold is available everywhere, the gold price has fallen 99%. This may look like a joke, but how many of you know that once upon a time, aluminium was more precious than gold? And aluminium was used only by the kings, the royal families. Common man did not use it. Why? Because those days, the aluminium was more scarce than the gold. So let us say tomorrow, wherever the people dig the earth, if they are getting gold, the value of the gold will go down by 99%. Very simple. So this guy realized, wow, I lost everything. Then the God asked the third guy, what is your wish? Whatever is your wish, I can grant. The guy said, God, I don't want anything. I just want only one thing. The God said, yes, what is that one thing? I want you. And I want you. And look, who is the smartest guy among all the three? Why you go and ask gold and why you ask for money from the gold? You ask the God and the God is with you, then you get everything. Anytime, anything you want, you can get it. So, the message here is that even in your real life, there are so many gods around. They are asking you, you want money, you want gold, or you want me? There are so many gods around you. I repeat once again, there are so many gods around you asking you, you want money, you want gold, or you want me? The people who choose the God, they are the smartest people. Not the people who choose gold, not the people who choose cash. So in human relations, I can tell you that many people have failed miserably and people never realize the gods around you. And in my personal life, I can say confidently, some of you may think arrogantly also, I am the God. There are so many people chose gold, so many people chose money, they are all suffering. But the people who choose me, they are happy forever. So the message is you learn to trust whom? You learn to recognize the good people, trust them, and you will come up in your life. And you support the wrong people, and you will not come up in your life. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.